Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to my channel to learn Excel. In this lecture, we are going to cover the examples of index and match function. How to use this function and what are the purpose of this function. Although index and match both are different function, but we can use these both function together to get the desired result. First, First of all, we have to clear understanding of the purpose of index function as well as match function. In index function, we will get the specific value by giving row and column references. In this function, you are required to give row and column reference and you will get the specific value of in this row and column. In mesh formula, you will get the position of lookup value in a specific column and row. If you use these two functions all together, so it's an alternative function of lookup value. Both formulas also be used together for getting the desired result. Now we are going to get the clear understanding of this function in the step by step so that you will have an entire understanding of this function. I recommend you to please watch this video till end so that you will have a clear understanding and entire understanding of this function. Let's have a look. This is screen. I have a table containing surnames, teacher timing, and the subject teacher teach. Now I require to use the index function to get the specific value by giving references of row and column. How do I use this function index? First, I select the array, which is a table. This is my array, comma, column, row number, and column number. For example, I give row number 2, which is the row number 3 of this sheet, and column 4, which is column D column. So what will be the result? Column row number 2 and column D. Result will be DTP. You can see that. If I change column row number 3 and column number 4, so what will be the result? Row number 3 and column number 4, result will be DTP. Sorry, Excel. Column number 4, result will be Excel. I change column number. Column number 5. So what will be the result? Result will be DTP. Okay. So I use match formula to find out the specific position of lookup value. For example, my lookup value is DTP, which is the result of index function, comma. Now I select the column where the lookup value is located. This is my lookup array, comma, 0 for exact match, bracket close. You can see that DTP position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 number. Result will be 5. If you use, if you type manually Excel, so the position of Excel is 3. Now you got the understanding of these functions individually. What will be the result you will get by using this function? Now I'm going to use index and match function together to get the desired result. I prepare drop down list of surname as well as drop down list of this timing, and I just change the time or surname. Result will be automatically be appeared in this cell. You can see that if I change surname, which is Asif sir, and the time is 1 p.m. So what will be the subject? 1 p.m. Asif sir, MS Office. You can see that. If I change time as well, 10 a.m. So what will be the result? DTP. How I make this report? By using index and match formula. Okay, let's get the clear understanding of by using this formula again. Index, select the entire table, which is your array, then use match formula and select the time and the column A where the time is located, 0, bracket close, comma, use another match formula because you have a two values. You have a two lookup value to find out in this table and to get the desired result. So you will find out the surname. Now you select the entire row where the surname is are located, comma, and 0 for exact match, bracket close, 2 times, 1 for match formula, 1 for index formula function. Sorry. Now you can get the desired result. If I change the surname, which is Sir Ismail, and time it will be 10 a.m. So what will be the result? Tally. You can see that. If I change time as well, what will be the result? Result will be Excel. I hope you are getting understanding of this function, how to use this function, and what will be the result you will get by using this function. Now I have a second example of this function so that you will have a great understanding of this function, and you will when you are going to use this function in your office line, you will have no any doubt regarding these functions. Okay, I have a mobiles database containing division, description, quantity, cost, total cost, retail, profit, and numbers. Now I have a requirements. I have a part number, and based on the part number, I have to find out the quantity of particular part number. So how can I use this? How can I do this? I can find out this by using index and match formula. Okay, is equal to index. First of all, I select the quantity. Okay, then use match formula. My lookup value is part number, and my lookup array is part number, which is H column, comma, 0, bracket close, enter. Now you can see that if I change the part number, which is AM55, what will be the result? Result will be 85. You can see that. Okay, 85. Similarly, if I change part number again, so what will be the result? Result will be B4475. Okay. Now I have a final example, last example of this index and match function. You can see that I have a quantity, and based on the quantity, I have to find out the total cost by using index and match function. Index. First of all, I select the total cost. Then I use match function. Select the match value in lookup value and lookup array, and 0 for exact match, bracket close. Now I get the desired result. If I change the quantity, which is 298, what will be the result? Result will be 3544555. You may see that. If I change the quantity again, which is 367, now you can see the result, which is 1845454. I hope you get the entire understanding of this function and you have no doubt anymore about this function, and you like this video. If you really like this video, please like my video and subscribe my channel so that you will get the access of my all future videos notification. Take care. Allah Hafiz.